Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, we're diving into an inspiring topic: how selecting nature's finest handcrafted wood creates products that truly captivate us. Whether it's a beautiful piece of furniture, stunning decor, or a functional item, handcrafted wood products have a special way of connecting with our emotions. Let's explore this fascinating connection. Why do we feel drawn to handcrafted wood products? It starts with the innate human connection to nature. The warmth, texture, and unique characteristics of wood evoke feelings of comfort and nostalgia. When we bring handcrafted wood pieces into our homes, we're not just adding decor, we're inviting a piece of nature and craftsmanship into our lives. These products tell a story. Each scratch, knot, and grain holds the memory of its origins. This connection to the past makes such items more than just functional; they become cherished parts of our lives, reminding us of nature's beauty. One of the most captivating aspects of handcrafted wood products is their uniqueness. Unlike mass-produced items, each piece reflects individual artistry and creativity. When you select a handcrafted item, you're not just choosing a product, you're choosing something that carries its own identity. Consider a beautifully crafted wooden table. No two are ever alike, thanks to the natural variations in the wood. This uniqueness adds character, making each table a conversation starter in your home. Imagine guests admiring the intricate grain patterns or discussing your choice of materials. It creates an experience that goes beyond mere decoration. Handcrafted wood products enhance our living spaces in ways that synthetic materials often cannot. The rich textures, natural colors, and organic shapes bring a level of warmth and grounding that is simply enchanting. Many people gravitate toward wood because it complements a wide range of design styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern minimalist. A handcrafted wooden shelf can stand out as a centerpiece or blend seamlessly into the background, showcasing your favorite plants or books while drawing attention to the beauty of the wood itself. This versatility allows you to express your personal style while embracing the new trend of natural aesthetics in interior design. In an age where sustainability is paramount, selecting handcrafted wood products signifies a conscious choice. Many artisans prioritize eco-friendly practices, sourcing wood responsibly and using sustainable methods in their creations. By choosing these items, you're not just enhancing your space, you're making a statement about your values. Sustainable craftsmanship resonates with more and more consumers who want to minimize their environmental impact. This connection to eco-friendliness can also deepen your emotional bond with the products you choose, as knowing that your items support responsible practices makes them even more meaningful. Another reason handcrafted wood products attract us is the exceptional quality that artisan craftsmanship can offer. Made with care and attention to detail, these items often surpass mass-produced alternatives in durability and design. Consider a handcrafted wooden cutting board. Artisans often create these with functional beauty, ensuring they stand the test of time while adding charm to your kitchen. A well-made piece can become a family heirloom, a testament to quality craftsmanship passed down through generations. This level of commitment to craftsmanship can cultivate a sense of appreciation, making each product feel even more valuable to us. Handcrafted wood products also lend themselves beautifully to personalized gifting. Imagine giving a unique wooden keepsake, a custom carving, or even personalized furniture. These items carry emotional weight, making them perfect for significant occasions or as thoughtful gestures. Giving a handcrafted item can convey a deep understanding of the recipient's tastes or values, strengthening your connections with them. It shows that you've put thought into your choice and that you value authenticity in the gifts you share. If you're looking to select the ideal handcrafted wood piece, here are some tips. Research artisans. Look for local makers or online artisans who resonate with your values and style. Their stories can add another layer to your connection with the piece. Consider functionality. Think about how the item will be used in your space. Will it be purely decorative, or do you need it to serve a purpose? This will guide your choices. Imagine the space, visualize where you want the piece to live. Its size, shape, and finish should complement your existing decor and enhance your home's atmosphere. Ask about sourcing and sustainability. Don't hesitate to inquire about the materials and practices used. Understanding the product's origin can enrich your appreciation for it. Trust your instincts. At the end of the day, select what speaks to you. If a piece resonates, it's likely to bring joy and beauty into your space. Thank you for joining us on this journey of selecting nature's finest handcrafted wood, crafting inspiration that captivates. We hope this video inspires you to explore the world of handcrafted wooden products and the unique connections they can create in your life. If you found this video worthwhile, please give us a thumbs up, share it with friends who might be interested, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights from Crafted Wood Studio. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, embrace the beauty of handcrafted treasures in your life.